Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to reset the Spider-Man 3 game. If you have finished it, you know how frustrating and annoying it can be to not be able to replay the entire game again. So hopefully this video helps. Okay, so first off, if you have Spider-Man 3 game downloaded already, this is what I used to download the game. I will leave a link in the description. So if you have this one downloaded, when you go back into the game, it leaves you off right where you were playing. And every time you exit the game, you think it'll reset. It's not going to reset on its own. I already played the game a bit. If I go into the game, it's going to play where I left off. Alright. 1% crime fighting. Missions completed 3 out of 42. Okay. We're going to quit the game. And we're going to show how to reset the game. Okay. Since we have Spider-Man 3 downloaded already, we're going to go to Files and go to Documents. It's going to automatically make a file called Activision. Click on it and go to Spider-Man 3 and then go to Main Save Data. You're going to open it with Notepad. Now, when it opens, all this right here is basically your saved data. You're just going to get all of this, highlight it, and backspace. Exit, and it's going to say save, don't save, cancel. You're going to put save. Just exit out. Go back to your Spider-Man file. Go back to your game. Open it again. And it should start from the beginning. And there you go.
Everything's ready, Mr. Carlisle.
Light it up.
Press the attack button to attack.
And that's basically how you do it. If I press pause and then go to game summary, basically right here, it's gonna say crime fighting 0%, mission completed 0 out of 42. So that's basically how you reset the game on PC. I really hope this video helped because I was going crazy not knowing how to do this. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, till next time.